Okay, students, we'll practice with numbers, figures, with money, and with time. This is 100. Repeat, 100. 100. Like in an address, 100 Park Avenue. 100. 100. Like, that was 100 times better than I thought it'd be. Fue mucho, 100 veces mejor de lo que pensé que iba a ser. 100 times better. 101. 101. Like, 101 Dalmatian was a great movie. La película de los 101 Dálmatas fue una gran película. 101. También decimos, we also say 101. 101. 101. 101. 101. 101. Two ways. 101. Now let's go with 1,000. 1,000. The dress cost $1,000. That's for money. 1,000. But 1,000. When do we use that? ¿Cuándo lo usamos? 1,000. I order 1,000 balloons for the party. Ordené 1,000 globos para la fiesta. 1,000. Is that money? 1,500. 1,500. But we could also say 1,500. Pero también podríamos decir en inglés 1,500. We don't use that in Spanish. No lo usamos en español. Then 10,000. 10,000. 100,000. 100,000. 100,000. 100,000. 100,000 for money and 100. And then we have 1 million. 1 million. There is $1 million in this bank account. With money, $1 million. For money, okay, $1 million. And a million when it's not for money. A million. A million. There are a million reasons to go. So now you learn that when we use or say numbers or figures with numbers with money, it's just 100, 1,000, 1 million. But when you use it for another things, like when we're talking about an amount of things that we buy, or we say 1,000, a million. Okay? Go and practice, repeat the numbers, and learn more.